Muthenya wa umuthi tariki 21 mweri wa kenda mwaka wa 2013 bururi waiyurirwo ni kihea kinene thutha wa ITOI cia gikundi kia ALSHABAAB gutafania tharikira nduka-ini nene ya biacara ya Westgate, andu 67 magite mioyo yao na angi magitigwo na nguraro njuru. Kuririkana gya IKUMI thutha wa tharikira ino, atongoria matiganite undu umwe na rugamiriri wa nduka ino ni monganire hamwe kuheana gitio kiao kuri aria othe mahutirio ni tharikira ino. Ndumiriri cia gukomithia ciiko cia njuragano cia wikinaĩ na gucihocia hari dini cia rutwo ni atongoria matiganite. Ruga rugamiriri a dini itiganite makiuria Kenya kwaga kunyitithania ITOI na witikio oro wothe.
The moment you kill someone, his relatives and kin start thinking of revenge, and this trend continues. وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا. And whoever preserves the soul, he has preserved humanity. It's time for us to understand that our religion, our beliefs should not come in the way of humanity.
Muthio ni uririkanirwo ta muthenya utangiendo gukahanikira mundu ungi oro wothe, riu aingi makiugweta ta muthenya wari na hau nene kieha maithori na hathara nene.
We gather here to remember those who lost their lives in the tragic attack that happened in this mall 10 years ago.
The images of that fateful day will forever be in our collective memory. The smoke, the chaos, and the anguish on the faces of our fellow citizens. Innocent lives were lost, and our sense of security was shattered.
We intend to recognize our private security officers for their bravery and distinguished service, which will ultimately shape their career path.
Umuthi thirikari yoneka gwikirira ndereti ya kuhura njeki arangiri kuma kambuni cia andu KIUMBE aria matakoragwo na matharaita na aria kaingi makoragwo cingiriro-ini cia matuka maya manene, mabitha makigwetwo ta andu a bata haro-ini ya kugiririria ITOI.
The average number, as we are talking today, of private security officers in the country is almost 1 million boots on the ground. Coupled with their daily interaction with fellow citizens across all social strata, strategically places the officers at the center of raw intelligence.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa guthurima arangiri Fazul Mohammed, riu arangiri ni magukorwo magikuruhanio na mabitha borithi, undu rio guteithiriria honge cia ugitiri kwamukagira ripoti cia uria ugitiri urakinyanirio nginyagia kuri aritho ria thirikari ritarakinya.
Grade A of private security officers will be rated as the most qualified and will be given to provide security to the critical infrastructure and strategic installations of our republic. Grade B officers and C will be assigned to guard homes, compounds, and other installations that do not have a high security threat.
Ningi thirikari ni wendekithitie guthurimwo kwa mahinda haria arangiri aya kuria mari wacokaga gukirio ikiro kuringana na uria mundu akinyanire. Miaka 10 thutha wa tharikira ya Westgate guku Nairobi iria yacungiririe ikuo hathara na nguraro, thirikari ni iranire kuoya makinya maria magiriire gugutigirira ati ya Kenya matigatungana na tharikira ta ino ringi. Adini ya KAMBUNI TV kuma Westgate guku Nairobi, ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.